Master expert options technical analysis in 1 minute. Actionable, concise, practical. Start with indicators, tools that reveal momentum, trend, and market strength. Moving averages smooth price, show trend direction, and signal dynamic support. RSI spots overbought or oversold conditions to time entries and exits. Combine indicators with price action, support, resistance, and breakout confirmation. Recognize patterns, double tops, flags, and engulfing candles for high-probability setups. Risk management is non-negotiable. Protect capital before chasing returns. Size positions using a fixed percentage of your capital per trade. Place stop losses at technical levels. Adjust with volatility and time frames. Keep a trading plan and journal to track performance and refine rules. Execute with discipline. Follow setups, manage risk, and respect your edge. Subscribe, download the free option analysis cheat sheet, and master your trades.